All right. So that's my O2 Sienna, and that's the gas tank because the fuel pump quit. So in order to get that out, I needed something. I didn't want to buy a transmission jack, so I made this cool piece of wood and zip tied it to this jack. And then, so there's a plastic cover, and you're gonna need a. Whoops, sorry. You're gonna need a 10 millimeter. There's four or five bolts and a couple nuts for the plastic cover, and then 14 millimeter for the straps that go across. They're under there. It's all pretty easy to get to, and then eight little 8 millimeter screws to get that out. You're gonna wanna get. Oh, sorry. I'm in a wheelchair, so. Oh, come on, focus, fucker. I want to get some of these guys from Harbor Freight. It's like $3.99. Makes it so much easier to get this stupid line off. Well, all right. Well, I just thought there wasn't many videos about this on the interwebs, so thanks. Have a good day.